Welcome back to Car Explorer, the place where we take a deep dive into the latest cars, SUVs, and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility. Today, we're going to explore the all-new Toyota Motorhome 2026, a vehicle that blends Toyota's legendary reliability with cutting-edge design and modern luxury. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the open road in style and comfort, this might just be the perfect companion for your next adventure. On the outside, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 makes a strong impression. It features Toyota's bold new design language, highlighted by a wide front grille with chrome accents, slim LED matrix headlights, and a clean aerodynamic body profile. The body is carefully sculpted not only for looks but also to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Large panoramic windows run along the side, giving the interior a spacious, open feel. Roof-mounted solar panels blend seamlessly into the design, while retractable steps and a power-operated awning make setting up camp effortless. Built on a sturdy Toyota chassis, it's designed to handle both highways and rugged terrains with confidence. Step inside, and the Toyota Motorhome 2026 feels like a modern, compact apartment on wheels. The interior is smartly designed with space optimization in mind. Premium soft-touch materials, ambient LED lighting, and Toyota's signature ergonomic layout create a relaxing environment. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, featuring a widescreen instrument panel. Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and AI-assisted voice control for navigation and entertainment. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering. The lounge area is practical yet stylish. Seating is upholstered in premium fabrics or optional leather, and it can be converted into additional sleeping arrangements. A foldable dining table doubles as a workstation for those traveling while working remotely. Entertainment is top-notch, with a retractable smart TV, built-in Wi-Fi, and integrated speakers. The kitchen is compact but efficient, offering an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and plenty of cabinet space. Toyota has focused on energy efficiency, so everything is optimized for off-grid living. The dining area even expands with a slide-out function, making meal times more comfortable. The bedroom offers the kind of rest you'd expect from a luxury hotel, with a queen-size bed, climate-controlled memory foam mattress, and overhead skylight that lets you gaze at the stars at night. Storage is abundant, with wardrobes and underbed compartments making long journeys convenient. The bathroom comes with a rainfall shower, eco-friendly water management, and a stylish vanity setup, ensuring you have comfort wherever you park. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 comes with two main options. The first is a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid, producing about 320 horsepower with excellent fuel efficiency. The second is a fully electric model, offering around 350 miles of range on a single charge thanks to its advanced battery pack. Both versions feature smooth automatic transmissions, adaptive suspension for maximum comfort, and optional all-wheel drive, giving this motorhome impressive versatility for different terrains. Toyota has also designed this model for sustainability and independence. Roof-mounted solar panels work alongside a powerful onboard battery system, allowing you to stay off-grid longer. A smart energy management system ensures efficient use of power across lighting, kitchen appliances, and climate control. In terms of safety, Toyota brings all the modern driver assistance technologies to the table. Emergency braking, pedestrian detection, adaptive headlights, and lane-keeping assist make long road trips safer and less stressful. As for price, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is expected to start around $120,000 for the base hybrid model, while the fully electric and higher trims with added luxury features could go up to $160,000. Considering the comfort, reliability, and technology included, it's competitively priced compared to other brands in the segment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.